eyes. My head feels like a fountain overflowing.
My question, what do you guys use this for? Drop your answer in the comments.